It was the only time that he was taken for a lot of runs. 23 runs in the previous match in only 1 over. And that, if you see his record, in all the 4 overs, he hasn't given away more than 30 runs.
To play the natural game. In the air, think it should land safely. A couple of runs to start Zazai's as well as Tiger's innings.
3 matches, 3 loss. And this time around, he connects. And he connects well enough for a boundary. First boundary off the bat of Hazratullah Zazai. Coming down the track, he comes back hard at him, but Hazrat Zazai somehow manages to top edge that for a boundary.
As a global superstar, you probably want to lead from the front. Using the pace, that's lovely placement as well by Zubaid Akbari. Nothing wrong with the delivery by Farooqi. Got the field placing spot on as well.
Zubair gets going, and this is in the air. And the fielder fumbles, and it runs down to the boundary.
Unlucky. Nothing you could do as a fielder. One of those accidents where it probably look funny, but it's not funny. I've seen over the years, people have rolled their ankles.
Any wicket? Ah, there it comes. The wicket comes. Chopped it back onto the stump. Hazratullah Zazai, 1 shot too many, loses his wicket.
Early to the strokes. Zazai. Digged in short for Zalak Farooqi. Testing out the middle of the pitch. He just sits up. Unlucky. Very, very unlucky Zazai. Probably he'd have had a bit of lady luck. With a couple of boundaries he scored. Bajis runs out. And Sharks and Farooqi, yeah, the smile says it all.
There's no protection there. That will run down to the boundary. The 2 fielder outside circle or at long off and at the deep mid wicket. Nowhere square of the wicket is there any boundary protector. Confident start this from Zubair Akbari. Uses his feet, comes down the track and says thank you very much and sends it off. Despite the fielder being placed there, he doesn't mind that. He trusts his ability that he can clear that, and he clears the boundary with ease. An expensive change, 14 runs off the first 5 deliveries. Zubair Akbari all of a sudden finds his foot movement and placement right.
ډېر په زړه پورې لوبونه ده. په مډ وکټ باندې زبید اکبري څلوريزه دلته کاف سټم باندې تا کړی فیلډینګ سیټ اپ نو پکار د چې بیا مغه چې کېو دلته څلور منډې یوې ټپه کې وروسته دا ځل زبید نه رحمت شاه زرمتی دی.
یو د دم T20 د چینج شوی دغه اوس چې کومه توپانو دي ترسره کوي او بیا هم توپ ته مډ وکټ باندې په لوري ډګر ساتونکی ګورو چې هڅه بریالي به نه بولي ځکه
صحیح نه دی مډل شوی شرف الدین او 200 ورځو وروسته رحمت شاه هم د ډریسنګ روم په طرف باندې غوښتل چې ور د فیلډر یې ولوبوي اما دا ځل بریالی شو محمد ګل علیزی پیس کې کمی او نتیجه د رحمت شاه وکټ
هم ریپلی ګورو او څه لوړ ولګېدو که وګورو د رحمت شاه په بیټ باندې او یو اسانه کیچ
فوټ لین سره چینل کې شاکر صاحب یو بل څه ته وګورو د سپینغر لوبډلې
باید واخیستل سي هر بیټر باید بیا هم پوینټ باندې سمیع الله شینواری چې بهترین ډګر ساتونکی دی د شپږ اووره په پای ته رسېدو سره 4-50 د 2 وکټو په زیان سپین غر پړانګانو